my big ridiculous pickup truck going to a car show, listening to Van Halen. Could the day get any better? It couldn't. Hey guys, I'm hanging out here in Grantsville, Utah at the Import Spring Showoff at the Nip Tuck Performance booth with my good friend Dustin.
Hi YouTube.
He's the man what built the engine in the Redneck Limousine, put the lift on, did a whole bunch of other work, changed my transmission when I blew it up.
Don't forget the radiator.
Oh yeah, and we also put in that fancy Mishimoto radiator in there. So that now we can keep cool with all 200 horsepower.
You're gonna add a 1 to junior, is he junior?
Add a 1. Look at this. Got all kinds of fun toys out here. Over here, we've got the road track. Over here, back behind those buildings, we've got the drift track. I'm gonna head over there a little bit later and maybe get to do a ride along. We'll see if I'll start crying like I did last time.
You have signed up for a 4 o'clock ride along. Please make your way to GP16.
Not yet. I think I want to ride along on that. That's better than any race car. One of these things is not like the others. Check it out. It's a drift RC car. Crash! Ah, very cool.
Makes it look bigger.
You can see the whole green car from under here. Check it out, got some Skylines. Oh, this is more up to my speed right here. Got a 10 lug swapped Cummins. Very cool, very cool. Look at that stance. Look at that. Couldn't even fit a paper in between there. Oh, look, we got some German beauty right here. Nice. there is another Ford. Very cool. Oh, what do we have here? You got some Pinoys here.
Oh yeah, he had to bring them all. I was like, bring a couple toys so you don't get bored.
Pinoy po ba kayo? Just the Buick.
Oh my god.
Nice. Look at this. Ah, gorgeous. Just a little old Buick. The little old 3.8 liter. This is cool, man. I love it. Love it.
You can sit in it if you want.
Oh.
No, dude, you don't
Yeah.
mind.
Yeah?
Just in the driver's
Cool. What year is this one?
This is an 85.
Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, I love it. Look at this interior. You got Cletus's signature.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Me and him were pretty cool.
Nice.
The other guy that runs Data One Racing Team with me,
Yeah.
he built his website.
Oh, no way. Ah, check this out. Oh, that's cool. This is cool. We got a front drivetrain in it. Oh, this is cool. I think I'm in love.
She sits on it. She's like, I want to.
And it's right-hand drive even. JDM. Love it. We got a Terminator 2. There we go. Some Teutonic space magic. Oh, looky here.